Understanding algorithmic bias with the most likely machine.
Are you looking for an interesting way to teach algorithmic bias to your students so that they can understand AI a little deeper?
When I want to say yes, oh yeah.
Welcome to Tech Tips with Cameron. I'm Cameron, and today we are diving into this most likely machine. A great little lesson where students build their own algorithm and see how it impacts the future, for both good and for bad. On this website, students will learn what algorithms are, what are they used for, what is algorithmic bias, and why does it matter. It's an imaginary middle school where different historical figures have gone, and our job is to predict who's going to be the winner for each award. And we are going to train the machine so that it picks the people that we want. You pick your candidate for who's going to go to a top university, who's going to go viral, and who is a troublemaker. Now, we're going to assign personality traits to each award. I'm just going to go quickly and drop it through.
What you think?
Now, we get to fine-tune the algorithm. And so you're going to say, well, which of these traits would be the most important for someone going to a top university? And you do the same thing for all three. You run your algorithm. Then we get to see our results. Were we correct? Rosa Parks, and we predicted Shakespeare, Bruce Lee, and Marilyn Monroe. We can click Learn Why and dive deeper. So, based on the way we built our algorithm, that's who won the award. How accurate was your algorithm? So this is where we get some learning in, where we can teach our students, like, listen, algorithms don't have all the information, they reflect human opinions, and they can repeat and multiply mistakes. It talks about how algorithms can cause real-world problems, and it has some sections on that to increase student knowledge. And then it gives us a review of why it matters. A really great lesson to help teach students about bias. If you're looking for teaching students about bias or looking for great conversation starters for students to talk about AI, the AI EDU snapshots are another great way to do this. You'd show your students this slide. First, you'd read the facilitation strategy and then pull this down, and then students will work through this activity with you as a moderated conversation inside your class. A great way to really start talking about bias inside of the classroom. This has over 100 different conversations. Each one comes with a learning objective, as well as a conversation piece and a full lesson plan. Link is down below, as well as the most likely machine. Hopefully you enjoy, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.